Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio and the final chapter. So, if you've been following along with the journal collaboration, the hashtag 6pack collab, this is the cover I created. Now it's been through everybody's hands. It's back to me, and we're going to do a final flip through. And so you can see what everyone has done. So I created the cover, like I said, and then it went to APG Jamie, and she created the signatures. That's the pages. And then it went to Jessica Harris. She did the pockets and tucks. So she created the pocket, this window, and I think she did that pocket on the front flap too. She did that part, and then the next part was filling the pockets, I believe. So that one was Lynn at, I think it's called A Bit of Birdsong. She filled the pockets. She has these fun painty watercolor papers that she's put in there, and a bunch of others that you'll see as we go flipping through here. Sorry if you hear the paper rustling. I am looking at the provenance so I know who did what. The next was adding decoration or clips, right? I think is the next thing. And that was done by Rosemary. So there's lots of clips and tabs and stickers and things. And that was done by her. She didn't really show her adding stuff, so yeah, we'll just take it for what it is. And then the last one was creating the closure and the book charm, and that was by Jess. She signed it Jess. Ah, okay, I'm gonna have to look up her YouTube channel. All the YouTube channels will be in the description box below so that you'll have them. I also have a playlist of all the videos I could find with all the videos for all the journals. So if you wanted to see the different parts or the different books, I think I am the last one doing the final chapter. And this is the giveaway. Yay! So I will be giving this away to a random commenter. I've never really used a random commenter app. If I get a lot, I will figure out how to do that. If I just get a few, I'll probably put them in a bowl and draw a name. But I am going to read you the giveaway guidelines. They'll also be in the description box just because YouTube is kind of strict on their rules. And I am opening this up to anybody, anywhere. I'm not restricting it to the US just because I have friends that have sent me stuff from out of the country. Hopefully it won't be expensive if that's where it ends up. It's my hope anyway. We'll figure it out. Alright, so the guidelines, you have to be 18 years or older. And the prize is the journal shown in this video. There are no substitutions, no cash options. And if there's taxes, they will be the responsibility of the winner. Though I don't think there'll be any taxes. This is a gift. No purchases necessary. The giveaway, so this video is going to go up on the 16th. That is Saturday. And the comments will close on the 22nd. On the 23rd, I will create the video selecting the winner, and that will be posted on the 24th. So the winner will be announced on the 24th by video on this channel, at which time the giveaway is over. The winner will have 5 consecutive days to claim the journal. If the winner does not claim the journal by September 29th, no further winner will be announced. Okay, the winner will contact this creator, me, Margelle, by email, and the email is theshelleystudio@gmail.com. The winner will provide by email their YouTube username, their real name, and their mailing address, and the journal will be sent by USPS with a tracking number that will be provided to the winner via email. The winner's name, email, and mailing address will not be sold, shared, or retained. I'm not responsible for misdirected emails, lost or misdirected, returned, or damaged mail by USPS. You verify you have read and understood the rules as I've listed them when you comment on this video. YouTube is not a sponsor, and this is following the YouTube community guidelines, and I will have a link to their guidelines in the description box along with the rules. It's been a really long time since I've done any kind of giveaway. I kind of avoid them just because of the rules. And look, I've read all that and we're still flipping through this book. There's so much fun stuff in here. Like, of course, I wished I could keep every one of them as they passed through my hands. They were all wonderful. I'm looking. I'm like that's a real postcard with a real letter to someone on there. There's some real ephemera, fake ephemera, but a lot of fun, I think. I hope you guys have enjoyed this journal collaboration. I know I've enjoyed the journal collaboration. I don't feel like I am at the skill level of these junk journal ladies. They have quite a collection of stuff. I do not. So most of my ephemera is fake ephemera that I added, but yeah, I have just really loved doing this. It's been great to get to know some of these ladies a little bit better. I subscribe to all their channels, and you should too, because they have lots of fun stuff. And yeah, now I watch them on a regular basis. So, yeah, like I said, their links will be in the description box below, so you can go check them out. If you haven't been following this journal collaboration, I suggest you go back and look at some of those videos. I thought about making that a requirement to comment. You had to say something about a previous video, but I'm not going to do it. That would just be too much work, right? I'd have to verify that you were saying something accurate. Nah, I'm not going to do it. Look at that. That looks real to me. That looks real. I know back east, their antique stores have a lot more interesting stuff than my antique stores. Well, and thrift stores. I did go, when I started this journey, I did go paper hunting at the thrift store so I could have some vintagey stuff to add. It's sort of vintagey. Let's see, what else was I going to say? Oh, can you believe that we started this? The first video was in March, and it's now, I think it was in March. It's now September. Guess that's what happens when you have one step a month for 6 months. Oh, here I'm showing you. Those are pockets even though they're not filled. They're pockets. So there's plenty of space to add your own thing to, like if you're a journaler, I think this would be fun. I use junk journals for my yearly journal of what's happened with me for the year. So I usually put in ephemera that happens to be part of the journey, but you could write on any of this stuff, or you could use it for other things. Getting close to the end of the book here, I think. There was a lot of stuff in this book, wasn't there? And I showed you every bit of it, I think. Anyways, I would appreciate it if you're interested in the giveaway, make sure you make a comment. If you don't want to be part of the giveaway, and you still want to leave a comment, just say you don't want to be part of the giveaway. Though I don't know why you wouldn't want to be part of the giveaway. There's been several playing cards in this one with pretty flowers. Postage stamps. Random coffee filters. I love that musical note paperclip. Isn't that cute? A lot of vintage photos too. I probably started that. I added a photo with my little provenance. That one's a little bit tight. Put it in there. There we go. I love those windows in the pages. Those are fun. But there's the provenance. So that is the end of the book. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you have an awesome day.